Man, Batty boy a roadside every night, dog. After them a boy a fuck Batty a road every night. Right. I'm gonna go there work, see man a road and the attack man a go.
Back at it again, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, me have some hot topic here. So, watch out now. The first topic me go blow up the place with right now. This brother, him say him on his way to work a Margarita Grill. I wouldn't want to call it. But you go on. Him say by on his way going to work, him buck up the police them from backward by Batty from fish. And now the police them accuse him like him by Batty from fish. So it's a whole confused story. So we get from the whole story, people. He might try to expose the police them, and the police them use reverse psychology and I make it look like him then come catch by Batty from fish. So I will run the audio, people. I want to listen what I go on because it's a whole confused story. So I say, and it kind of disturbing too. So sit tight and watch what I carry on, people.
Oh, I'm a guy to film working. I'm a guy to film working. Wash.
You have ID for you?
I mean, I must have my ID, boss. There's no reason why you have to need this my ID. There's no reason There's no reason why you have to see my ID. See,
check your ID. Check your ID.
Clever and camera, try to find my papa.
No, officer, don't give me the phone. Hey. I'm a friend phone.
No teaching all this, a pussy.
Hey.
Any security them take me 3 stars tonight. I murder one of them before me left. And I feel real life, not dog. Stop touching me, brother. Real life, brother. Stop touching me, dog.
Know yourself, man.
Stop touching me, bro, man. Real life, dog. You go to hand now, brother.
Relax.
Stop now, dog. Stop, brother. Stop, brother.
Stand up, that's up.
Stop, brother. Stop, dog.
Stand up, that's up.
What you do, brother? What you do to yourself, brother?
Stand up,
brother. What you do to yourself? What you do to yourself, brother? What you do to yourself, brother? What? What you do to yourself, brother?
Relax yourself.
What you do to yourself, brother?
Mr. Relax yourself.
What you do, dog?
I am not one of them.
What do you mean by you're not one of them?
Relax yourself.
You come like you're giant Batty policy in our country.
Relax yourself.
You know, see, you move away too.
Relax yourself.
You don't move away too.
Relax. Relax.
You don't move away, dog. What do you mean influence? I mean, me I come and work, me I go. I'm a Batty blood clot boy. Hey, the way I tell me, say. I'm a work, me there go. I'm a guy to build me work. My team Jamaica tours board certified. I'm going to murder one of them.
Yeah, the service ticket for you.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
So there you have it, people. And then something there go on, you see me. So we're not gonna really support them thing there still. But anyway, move on to the next topic, people. This brother have something to say pertaining to the unalive situation of the great RT boss, you see me. But me not really believe that from a long time. That's why I not really run with it. But hear what this brother have to say. Everybody, most people say the same thing too still. So nothing wrong with what I must say, no. Because this thing, this clothing, it'll get from bad to worse. Trust me. Once somebody can dead so much time, man, and the people don't have a heart and I run with it, and people don't have a heart, I believe. So, people, watch and listen.
The people them say RT boss dead. Me don't know if I lie or true. RT boss are only man dead every month or every 2 months him dead and come back alive. RT boss are only man can come back and tell no dead feel cause every month him dead. The way RT boss love clout, only man fake him dead. So people them say RT boss was unalive and get 3 shots in her head. Then say RT boss broke in a spice house, so them say. And I me say it when me hear. Say RT boss broke in a spice house a try thief spice blue wig for OBR. And them end up unalive him. And I me say it, I people them say it. But if RT boss pass off, only thing me can say, RT boss, I better you than me. You're only blood clot body, you're only somebody with it every month. Every month you have 9 life like puss. I wish when I life them are your last life. Cause every month you're dead. Every month. Every month you're dead. And like really RT boss, if you're dead for you, me not sorry for you cause amount of people you come boy you come wish dead pan. Me and only somebody if RT boss dead, me not sorry for you. If you're dead for you RT boss, me higher flex, me wouldn't sorry for you. More than celebrate. You know why? The amount of people you come out that can wish death upon them life. So why more sorry for you? So let me know in the comment section if him dead for you or him not dead. Because them man they love clout, you know, them do everything for clout. Prank all them one death.
Yeah, so RT boss, if I saw you make your bread, continue the way I do my boss, you see me? Anyway, people, this brother have a message for all of the PNP girls them. But I think the message I want to send out, it goes for a specific individual, one I'm friend. So I'll run the audio, listen to how him deal with her.
You know what I told me serious right now, see? A girl with a PNP, we go up on her platform and she say, every labourite is a drunker. And every labourite a dog. You know? So I say, I'm a friend, you know. So I want to say something to her. So, yeah, they must say a text from my phone come in and say, Maestro, I beg you $50. So me think, I say, you know, say, I'll give her the $50. I want mind come and say, a politics time now and an election time now. You see? And anybody where try Jamaica, where help I try destroy Jamaica, me not contribute nothing to them. I guess you know. You don't believe in a progress, and you say every labor a drunk and dog, so that means that you are involved. Me too. So the MP where I run back, or the MP candidate where I run back, where I say I win, make them give money. Me nah no money, I give no PNP where I try stop progress. The only PNP where I get money from me have a good brethren where PNP, where politics can come in between me and him and my mother. That's the only two people where PNP where I will get money from me. But nobody else where PNP right now can get a drink or nothing from me. I guess you know, them a try stop progress and a mash the country. So otherwise only two people, nobody where PNP can get nothing from me. After the election over, we can beg me something back again. But guess what? So for now, I take politics serious. I not give no PNP. I want to try stop progress. I say. I hide and talk. So I know the show see that post and cuss me out, but I don't care.
Thank you for watching my viewers and subscribers, and those who haven't subscribed as yet, subscribe, press the notification bell for upcoming videos, like, share, leave a comment in the comment section. Bless upon yourself, my people. That is it.